Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about LilyStyler 5-in-1 MultiStyler. But before we jump right in, quick disclaimer, all the information I'm sharing today is based on public research and my personal opinion. The LilyStyler 5-in-1 MultiStyler claims to replace multiple styling tools with its versatile design, which includes attachments for curling, straightening, and adding volume. It's marketed as lightweight, easy to use, and a great alternative to high-end tools like the Dyson Airwrap or Shark. On Trustpilot, the product has a 3.8-star rating with over 600 reviews. Some customers have praised it as a great value for its price, saying it's easy to use and gives great results. One reviewer even mentioned that they were pleased with how quickly the product arrived despite its shipping from China. However, there's a significant number of negative reviews too. One customer shared their frustration with receiving their order 2 weeks late, even after paying extra for the next-day delivery. When they contacted customer service for a refund, they were offered store credit instead. To make matters worse, they described the product as a cheap knockoff, comparing it to the Dyson Airwrap and Shark, but with poor build quality, excessive noise, and disappointing performance. The curls won't hold, and it barely dried their hair. Also, many customers are suspicious of the glowing reviews on the official website, with some claiming they seem too good to be true based on their own experiences. So what's the final verdict on the LilyStyler 5-in-1 MultiStyler? While some people are happy with the product, the consistent complaints about poor quality, misleading advertising, and terrible customer service are definitely concerning. If you're thinking about giving it a try, be cautious and consider the risks before committing your money. There are just too many red flags to ignore, especially when you compare it to higher-end alternatives. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.